Just wrapped up day 4 of the rehab. So we've got our construction dumpsters, everything lined up, full enclosed trailer. Get a nice little beautiful shot of our view. You see the whole downtown Rochester skyline. Can't really see it because it's actually snowing pretty heavy right now. The old snow has melted. You see just how totally gone this roof is. This roof was in rough shape. Super exciting. I was walking the property with an investor I'm working with on a different property, and they said, man, this closet here is huge. Why would you leave that closet in there? So the staircase, before it was converted to a duplex, is right here. So it was decked over, I don't know, 30 or 40 years ago. And they put in this kitchen, which is really kind of awkward and cramped. And there was a bedroom here and a bedroom here, and the original bathroom on the other side of that wall. So this is a pretty massive closet. That's kind of an awkward space, which is fine for a closet, but really kind of useless with this being like the living room. So we checked, and this wall was not load bearing or anything like that. So we took it down, and now we're going to have this really huge area to add to our kitchen. We'll frame in this doorway, just sheetrock that, and this kitchen is just going to be so amazing compared to the really weird, awkward space that it was before. Super excited about that. We did a little bit of work on these hardwood floors, and it seems like they're probably just too far gone to save for an affordable price anyway. So I think we're actually going to float the laminate floor through this whole area, which is actually probably going to make it feel a lot bigger in here. So lots of developments up here. I'm super excited about it. Not really sure what we'll do with the cabinets, but yeah, this space is just going to be such a bigger, more comfortable kitchen. Hopefully we can fit a refrigerator in there. Not quite sure about a utility run to plug in the refrigerator, but we'll see. It's going to be super exciting. Downstairs, things have been moving along really fast. I'm super pleased. We've had, I think, a 6-man crew here, 12 hours a day for the last 4 days. So we've got all of our demo done here. This closet now is totally gone. They've got it all sheetrocked and patched in. Haven't painted or done any of the final touch-ups yet, so you can still tell there was something there before, but pretty soon you won't be able to. So that's cool. You saw they're doing a little painting upstairs on trim and stuff. Some paint down here. They demoed out four vintages of flooring here. When they finally got down to the dimensional flooring, it's a little bit soft, so we're going to put in some new decking and then some concrete backer board for our ceramic tile. Demoed out this whole wall here. We're gonna sheetrock that in, put in the new vanity. Should look really nice in here when we get done. Had our little archaeological dig moment here. We found the stairs. So here's the original staircase. They actually look like pretty decent stairs. So that's kind of fun. Just knock that back piece out there. This is behind the refrigerator. Pretty good use. I think it would have been better to put a closet in here, but I understand why they did it the way they did. So that's the original staircase, and the kitchen, the upstairs kitchen, is right above us here. And then for the grand finale of our HGTV miniature show, we now have one complete room. So they just wrapped this up a few minutes ago. Got our new laminate hardwood flooring in here. All the trim's done. Need to do some switches and sockets and registers. Take out this old ceiling fan and put in a light fixture. New heat register there. Quarter rounds, a couple little things. You can speak up. Get a little backseat commentary from my wife. But yeah, one complete room. So it's kind of awesome to see that contrast of the demoed out unit upstairs with what the whole place is going to look like when we're done here. Pretty quick. The crew's moving pretty fast. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this this installment of Wannabe HGTV.